from Lake George. We're about to hike the Prospect Mountain Trail. Tucker and Chase are ready to go. We're still hiking up the trail. We just got to a road to cross over. Normally you can pay $10 and drive up the road to the summit, but the road is actually closed now. But we were gonna hike this anyway, so we're okay with that. And we're hoping that there will be less people at the summit. This trail is ranked as difficult on all trails, and it's definitely pretty steep. I also suggest wearing hiking boots because you have to cross over a lot of water, and my sneakers are soaked. That's pretty cool to see on the side of the trail. Go ahead, Chase. I think we're almost there. Here comes the dog that sounds like a tea kettle. We're just crossing over the roadway again, which is closed. And now we're back on the trail to the summit. I think we should be there in like a minute or two. We made it!
Easy. No.
We made it to the summit and we're looking down on the south side of Lake George. It's a gorgeous view.
Greetings from the summit of Prospect Mountain. Great.
Tucker and Chase are loving the view from the top. You guys having fun? Yay! We just walked up a little bit further, and I'm really glad we did because the view is absolutely beautiful. It's very windy up here. You could probably hear the wind, but we are definitely enjoying the view. One last view from the top before we head back down to the bottom. So we finished the Prospect Mountain hike. It took us about 2.5 hours, and now we just parked by the south side of Lake George, and this is our view. Morning number 2 in Lake George. It is Gary's birthday today! Happy birthday! We just tried to drive to $1 Million Beach, but it is actually closed. So we're kind of to the side of the beach right now.
That is $1 Million Beach.
Yeah, we're like kind of right next to $1 Million Beach. And we are soaking up this view. Not too shabby. Chase is loving the car ride. We are going to hike the Pinnacle Trail. It's supposed to be a pretty short hike, but epic views of Lake George. If you're gonna do this trail, definitely get here early because these are the only spots. So we pretty much took the last spot, but this should be fun. I think we're almost there. This trail is about a mile to the top, so it's not too long. We just made it to the top, and this view is gorgeous. We're soaking up this view from the top. We just saw a couple get engaged up here, so that was pretty cool. But this is absolutely beautiful.
Yeah. Are you hungry?
You ready for your color?
You look gorgeous.
I wasn't gonna tell you the
Tucker and Chase are enjoying the view from the top of the Pinnacle Trail.
So we're making our way back to the car. We just did the Pinnacle Trail up at Lake George. It's located right after the Bolton Conservancy. It's a short little hitter. I think it's about 3/4 of a mile to the top, filled with switchbacks, clearly marked trail, and the view from the top is absolutely amazing.
Do you know what Chase got Gary for his birthday? Poop. Birthday poop.
He gave me shit. Thank you.
We just drove down to lakeside of Lake George, and the weather is much better today than it was yesterday. We got a beautiful blue sky. It looks stunning.
But at first when she said that I was going, I was like, I'm going for it. Like that.
Sleepy puppies. We just drove up a little bit further and pulled off at the Sabbath Day Point overlook, and it is pretty gorgeous. We are at Christie's on the lake now. We found an outdoor eating place that is dog friendly, so we brought the dogs with us, and this is our view from lunch. That was the perfect lunch spot. Tucker and Chase got to eat with us, and the waitress even brought out a bowl of water for the dogs, so that was awesome. The food was delicious. I had a lobster roll, Gary had a burger. That was perfect. We had an awesome 2 days in Lake George, but unfortunately it is time for us to drive back to Jersey because we both have work tomorrow. But we had a lot of fun and would definitely like to come back one day. Did you guys have fun too?